Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Swadhin. You are watching Swadhin's Lens. It's been almost 1 month, I think so. टिल हाँ 1 मंथ. लास्ट वीडियो जो था वो शायद फरवरी का मंथ में था. उसके बाद मैं अपलोड कुछ नहीं किया हूँ क्योंकि थोड़ा सा बिजी था. आई वॉज लाइक मतलब भाई का मैरिज था तो उसमें थोड़ा सा चला गया हूँ. तो आफ्टर दैट थोड़ा सा बिजी था क्योंकि यार करियर को भी तो थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा क्योंकि फैमिली लोग तो देख रहे होंगे कि साला ये क्या कर रहा है. स्टॉप, नो एपिसोड, राइट. हाँ, सो हाँ, टॉकिंग अबाउट आर्को सीरीज यार, द लव एंड सपोर्ट यू शोन बाय यू गाइस आर रियली अनएक्सेप्शनल यार. मतलब क्या बोलो, हद हद कर दिया यार तुम लोग. द अमाउंट ऑफ लव एंड सपोर्ट यू शोन रियली 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 गुड. लव यू गाइस फॉर दैट. एंड आफ्टर दैट मैं अभी भुवनेश्वर में हूँ तो राइट नाउ आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड गोरिल्ला ट्राइपॉड बिकॉज जब व्लॉगिंग करते हैं ना तो फ़ोन को ऐसे पकड़ के व्लॉग करना थोड़ा सा दिक्कत हो जाता है. तो फॉर हैंडी पर्पजेस यू नीड टू ऑर्डर ट्राइपॉड और गोरिल्ला पॉड इफ़ यू आर स्टार्टिंग अप विद एन if you're about to start any videography career or in case of YouTube or whatever the things if you're so अभी वही कोरियर पर फ़ोन किया था, वो बोला कि वो नीचे आ चुका है. सो लेट मी गेट द पार्सल एंड पार्सल लेने के बाद सी यू गाइस इन द अनबॉक्सिंग टेबल. सो गाइस एज यू कैन सी दैट्स द बॉक्स. डिजिटेक का नाम है, बस काफ़ी इतना ही है. उसके बाद आई थिंक सो दिस इज़ द कोल्ड शू माउंट. हाँ, एंड द गोरिल्ला पॉड इटसेल्फ. ये रिमोट, यप दिस इज़ द रिमोट. एंड कैसे ऑन कैसे है ये, पहले से ऑन है क्या? ब्लूटूथ रिमोट है ये. आई विल शो यू द फंक्शनलिटी. This is the Gorilla tripod I was talking about, and as you can see this is little bit flexible enough, and I will show you guys the difference between the Gorilla and other normal tripod. Once let me unbox it everything. This is the Bluetooth remote which I was saying. You can see both Android and iOS का branding है उधर. That's it, it's good enough. एंड इसका जो सबसे अच्छा काफ़ी चीज़ मेरे को अच्छा लगा उसमें से अच्छा वाला फीचर ये है कि इसका जो फ़ोन का जो माउंट वाला शू है उसका ऊपर है इंटीग्रेटेड कोल्ड शू माउंट है. इसका कोल्ड शू माउंट क्या बहुत ज़्यादा बेनिफिट्स है. यू कैन हैव योर माइक्रोफोन, अदरवाइज यू कैन हैव योर रिंग लाइट्स फॉर योर बेटर लाइटनिंग एंड ऑल, एंड यू कैन यूज़ इट इन दिस वे, अदरवाइज इन दिस वे. दैट्स अप टू यू गाइज. So guys, you can see here this is the Bluetooth remote that I have got, and this is the indication, tells you about the power off or on button for the Bluetooth module, and you can just on it by just pushing it as button, and once it's on you will be getting this indication light which will be telling you guys is it on or not, and pretty much it. And it's good, and build quality is also good. As you can see, this made up of a good material, I think so, good hard plastic. Yep. So let me show you guys how to set up the connection and make this come into play. So just you need to open your Bluetooth, Bluetooth in your phone. Just let me go into the Bluetooth settings. So yes, that's the name of this Bluetooth module. So just click on that, and yes, that's it, you are good to go. Done. Let me. So guys, as you can see, the reason being I gone for Gorilla, not for the normal tripod, is because you can fix it in any uneven surfaces set like that, you can, as you can see. And the main reason I have went for this Digitech Gorilla tripod is because of that quick release button which is available, which can be very helpful if you have a call in between your work. So it will be very helpful. it won't take any extra space in your backpack. As you can see, you can tie it up in any places and just go walk around just like that. So guys, as you can see, this is the Gorilla tripod. I got it. And आपको मैं गोरिल्ला ट्राइपॉड इसलिए सजेस्ट करूंगा और ट्राइपॉड इसलिए कि ये गोरिल्ला ट्राइपॉड जो है वेरी फ्लेक्सिबल है. So you can place it anywhere, even in the rough surfaces. Even if you are not in a comfortable flat surface, then you can also place this and use the phone for your videography purposes. So, and you can see this is very flexible. You can rotate anyway, like this, like this, like this, or anything. It's up to you guys. But the main reason why I got this over any other Gorilla tripod itself, because there are so many kind of features that are available in this tripod other than the rest. Because as you can see, as I am talking about the features, I got this mount, gold shoe mount from Digitech. Cold shoe mount. Okay, so this cold shoe mount is very good compared to the other, because in this cold shoe mount you have little bit of padding, and rest you have this main purpose for the microphone or the ring light. You have this cold shoe mount, which is not given by any other tripods. So I and which is a little bit of which is very strong enough, because at the end of the day, guys, you have to place your beautiful phone and expensive phone over here to shoot out something out. So you don't want your mind and focus on your phone to feel like, is it gonna fall, is it gonna be stay over there or not, because you need good amount of grip and good amount. And you can also if you are focusing on that, then you can't have your flow in your work. So it need to be very strong and very rigid, so that you will be focusing on your work more or less on your phone, right? So this is the one of the reason. And coming to that, and I have got this external beautiful feature called as Bluetooth remote. So what the basic function of this is, because that whenever you are placing your tripod or whenever you are placing your Gorilla Prod in some places and we are far away from that, if you are taking any B-rolls in your videos, so what you guys do is that you have to place it, then you have to press the button, then you go back and you do the B-rolls, right? So if you have any kind of Bluetooth over there, then it will be very handful and very handy, because you just place your phone over here and you go a little bit of far away from the phone, and then you just press the button and it will work for you as if an assistant is there, right? So that's the thing. So coming about the brand, this is the Digitech GT 260, the brand name. So I got it from Amazon for around 400 something. I don't know, is it right now the 400 or price went up. So link in the description box, go and check out. So and apply my promo code. Kidding, I didn't do any paid promotion, right? So that's the thing. That's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this small little unboxing video. I hope guys will love it as much as I do by creating these videos, as you can see. And if I missed any kind of information regarding the tripod, just comment down below. I will be loud to give you guys the information. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Just go hit that subscribe button, give that big fat thumbs up and show me the love and support to me. And I hope you guys doing absolutely fine. Take care. Till then, I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye, peace.
So now I gotta say goodbye.